Right. So in the last session, we have discussed even about artificial intelligence, machine learning, and even we have discussed even the examples on using PyTorch, right? So TensorFlow, all that. Wherein today we are going to discuss about AI pricing because artificial intelligence pricing. This is a pricing algorithm wherein we need to work on. Because whenever we want to manage any kind of products, right? So if we want to analyze a large amount of data, something like any kind of sales histories or any kind of competitor pricing, or if we want to calculate the market demand and customer behavior, all that. So there are artificial intelligence pricing, AI pricings normally we use to be useful for us to initiate any kind of best prices for the products, etc. So in this regard, so when it comes to the algorithms are concerned, because when we wants to set up any kind of pricing, there are algorithms are needed because algorithms majorly define something like machine learning algorithms and all, which majorly process the kind of data to find what are the most effective product prices. At the same time, whatever the optimal prices, which increases the profits and as well as the boost the sales. At the same time, it's also provide any kind of pricing suggestions also, so that we can match the customer willingness to pay, all that. In this regard, it's always important to understand about the AI pricing systems, wherein so that we can keep on adjusting, we can updating the prices based on the real-time market changes. This will be ensure whatever the prices that we stay in the competitive and relevant, as well as the kind of inability to understand the kind of business process to reduce any kind of pricing mistakes so that we can adopt based on the market changes and improve profitability. So in process of understanding about the AI pricing, first of all we must be knowing about the goal of it, because the first thing which we are going to discuss today about the goal of uh, goal, right? So what is the goal behind using AI pricing algorithm? Because normally goal of using AI pricing algorithm is to improve the profit margins strategically, to understand how the algorithm works, right? For example, to define any kind of artificial intelligence pricing algorithms, everything we need to know. So in process of it, whenever we try to understand about AI pricing algorithms, uh, to find out any kind of optimal prices for the products and services, these algorithms, majorly the algorithms will be useful for us to analyze the huge amount of data sets. So the data ranges from either from the market trends or from the competitors to even from the external factors like any weather reports or economic conditions, all that. So AI pricing algorithms processes and as well as interpret the data. So it can also make any accurate predictions about any kind of customer demands and set prices. Everything is possible through AI pricing algorithm. So this is a basic understanding as far as the artificial intelligence pricing in context to the goal that we wants to reach by implementing algorithms is important. Now, in the next session, we are going to discuss like how the pricing of algorithm works. And before that, we must be knowing about what are artificial intelligence algorithms we have, what are the different types of algorithms, and how do we identify and which algorithm we use for what purposes, and how the pricing algorithm works and all. In being you into the role of a AI in pricing and all, in what way this is something related and relevant that we are going to discuss in the next session.